Good morning students. This is class 10th, subject English, chapter 7th of supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. This is the hack driver. This is our 7th chapter and this is my lecture 1. So let us start this chapter. First of all, let us see topics which we are going to cover today. First of all, about the writer. The writer is Sinclair Lewis. Then the introduction of this chapter, the hack driver. And after the introduction, we shall read about the main characters of this chapter. At the end, overview of the chapter. So these are the subtopics that today we are going to cover. So let us start with the introduction of the writer. About the author. Author's name is Harry Sinclair Lewis from 1885 to 1951. He was an American novelist, short story writer and playwright. He is the first American writer to receive the Nobel Prize. Means in 1930 he became the first US writer to win the Nobel Prize in literature. He was the first American. Some of his famous novels are Hike and the Aeroplane. Next is The Job, an American novel. Next is Free Air, etc. So these are the famous novels of Harry Sinclair Lewis. So Harry Sinclair Lewis has written this chapter, The Hack Driver. So now let us read what is there in this chapter. Let us begin the introduction of the chapter, The Hack Driver. The story, The Hack Driver. Hack means a saddle horse used for transportation. So, the story, The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis, is about a man whose name was Oliver Lutkins. So the main character of this chapter is Oliver Lutkins. He was a cunning man who was a witness in a case. Actually, he was an eyewitness of an important case, but he ignored all the requests, all the summons for appearing in the court. He was served summons many times, but he ignored. A young lawyer was given the duty to find this man in New Mullion. New Mullion is the name of the place where Oliver Lutkins lives. So a young lawyer was sent to New Mullion to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. Now what happens next? So after this, when he reached New Mullions, there he meets a helpful and cheerful hack driver. Means the lawyer meets a very friendly hack driver. The driver takes him around the village in search of Oliver Lutkins, but is unable to find him. Means he was taken to the village, but he was unable to find Oliver Lutkins. Later on, the lawyer came to know that the hack driver actually himself was the hack driver, a cart driver himself was Oliver Lutkins, and he did not disclose this thing earlier. So the young lawyer becomes the laughing stock of all the villagers. Means he was befooled. The young lawyer was befooled by the hack driver, who himself was Oliver Lutkins, but he said that he even offered his help to find Oliver Lutkins. Now next is about the characters. First is narrator, a young lawyer who is gullible, means that can be befooled very easily. The hack driver makes a fool out of him. He befools him. Next is Oliver Lutkins. He is a dishonest man who tricks others and receives summons from the court. He is a great storyteller and he takes up the name of Bill Magnuson to fool the lawyer. Actually, the hack driver was Oliver Lutkins himself, but he did not tell this thing to the narrator, the lawyer, and he even told his name Bill Magnuson to befool the lawyer. So after reading about the main characters of the chapter, let us start the overview of this chapter. Let us read the overall summary of this chapter. So first heading is brief introduction, means the introduction of the narrator. The narrator, a young lawyer, he was a young lawyer, works in a law firm. He was working in a law firm and is assigned the duty to serve summons. He was given the work to serve summons to witnesses required in a court case. Means he was given this job. He was given the job to serve summons to witnesses. The narrator graduated with honors in law and dreamt of practicing law. He actually wanted to become a lawyer, and he was a junior assistant clerk in a reputed law firm, and he only appeared to serve summons. He did not prepare any legal briefs. But all his hopes and dreams are dashed because he doesn't get any case to handle. He was not given any case to handle, but he is sent to serve summons. He was not given any important thing to do, as this work is difficult and dangerous. He hates it. He does not like this work. The work was to serve summons. He thinks of going back to his town to become a lawyer. he wants to become a lawyer, but in that firm where he was working, he did not prepare any legal briefs. He was given only a job to serve summons, and this work was not liked by him. Now, next heading. It is the narrator was sent to New Mullion. I told you that this is the name of a place, New Mullion, to serve summons. There he was sent to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. One day he goes to a village named New Mullion. This is the name of a village, to serve summons to Oliver Lutkins. But there he thought that place would be very fine. He expects to find a beautiful and peaceful village. He thinks that village will be very peaceful, but his expectations are proved false, as the village has streets full of mud. The place was not peaceful, it was not beautiful, even it was not clean. So he saw that there are shabby wooden shops all around. The only cheerful thing that he likes, the only cheerful thing that the lawyer finds, that the narrator finds, it was a man at the station. He was the hack driver. This man drives a carriage or a cart and offers to help him. The hack driver offers his help to find Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver told him that he knew Oliver Lutkins and he could help him to find him. Now, next heading. It is the hack driver tells the lawyer, the narrator, about Lutkins. He tells many things about Lutkins. The hack driver informed the narrator that Lutkins was hard to catch, means it was very difficult to catch him. He was always busy doing one thing or the other. Means he was always busy. So he tells him that Lutkins even owes him some money. He also tells him, the hack driver also tells the narrator that Lutkins even has borrowed money from the hack driver. Now next. So the lawyer is quite impressed. He got impressed by the friendly nature or friendly conduct of the hack driver. The narrator found the hack driver very friendly and helpful. Now he trusts him completely. The lawyer, the narrator, hires his carriage for a couple of hours. For some hours he hires his carriage to find Lutkins or to search Lutkins. He even tells him that he has summons to serve on Oliver Lutkins. Even he told him the fact that he had come there to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. Now next heading, it is the lawyer or the narrator was taken around the town. He was taken around the town by the hack driver. The hack driver suggests that he would find out about Oliver Lutkins, as Lutkins might run away on seeing the narrator. Means Lutkins would run if he would see the lawyer. So the driver takes him to Frid's shop. So the hack driver Bill Magnuson took the narrator around the town from one place to another. He first took him to Frid's place, Frid's shop. After that, then he takes him to Gustav's barber shop. First they went to Frid's shop, then Gustav's barber shop. After that they go to Gray's and the pool room. But so they went everywhere, but they miss Oliver Lutkins every time. They were unable to catch him. Every time they missed him. Lunch time now arrives, and the hack driver, gets him some cheap lunch made by his wife. So in this heading we read that they went to Frid's shop, then Gustav's barber's shop. After that they went to pool room and Gray's shop also, but they were unable to find him. Now see, after that what happens? The lawyer enjoys with the hack driver. Even they were unable to find Oliver Lutkins, still the narrator was enjoying with the hack driver. The lawyer did not mind that he had not found Oliver Lutkins, because he was very much impressed with his behavior and cooperative nature, because he was enjoying the company of that friendly hack driver. He was enjoying a lot. That's why he did not mind whether he had found Oliver Lutkins or not. The lawyer was impressed by the wisdom of the man, means of the driver. He was very wise person. So the narrator was enjoying his company. The driver told him, the hack driver or Bill Magnuson told him everything about New Mullion. He described the people and their habits. He described the people of New Mullions and their habits were also described. His simplicity and humor influences or impresses the lawyer or the narrator so much that he plans to even settle down in that village only, in the village, because he thought the people of that village were very simple and friendly. He ends up paying the hack driver for 6 hours. At the end he paid the hack driver for 6 hours. Now the next heading, the lawyer visits Oliver's mother. Actually, the hack driver tells him that Oliver Lutkins might be at his mother's farmhouse. So the hack driver suggested that they should look for Oliver at his mother's place. He actually suggested the narrator that they should go at his mother's place to find him. So she was described as a terrifying woman. So the hack driver described that his mother was very terrifying. After that, what happens there? The women chased them away with a burning iron. When they reached there, Oliver Lutkins' mother chased both of them with a burning iron and threatened to burn them. And the two escaped to save themselves. These two are the hack driver and the narrator. Means there also they were unable to find Oliver Lutkins. After that, what did the lawyer do when he was unable to find Oliver Lutkins? The lawyer returns to town. Now he was unable to serve summons. So when the lawyer returned to town without serving the summons, he was unable to serve summons, his chief got very angry. Now when he came to know that he was unable to serve the summons, his chief got very angry with him. They needed Lutkins as an important witness in their case. So they wanted Oliver Lutkins. So the next day, once again, he was asked to go. The next day, he was sent with another person. He sent another man with the narrator who knew Lutkins, and there once again they reached. So the next day he sent another man who knew Lutkins with the lawyer to the village to bring Lutkins. So now what happens when they reached once again? Finally, the lawyer serves summons. Now second time when he reached New Mullions, there he served summons. How? The lawyer and his companion went to the village the next day, because on that day he was unable, the narrator was unable to serve summons. So once again he was sent. They found the hack driver at the station. They found the hack driver at the railway station laughing and joking with Lutkins' mother. Actually, when he went again, then he came to know that the hack driver himself was Oliver Lutkins. So now the narrator reached New Mullion once again. One man was also with him. He pointed out the driver to his companion and explained how the hack driver, helped him in finding Oliver Lutkins, means in trying to find Oliver Lutkins. So surprisingly, his companion, his mate, told the lawyer that the driver was Lutkins, means the hack driver was Lutkins himself, because he recognized him. The lawyer served summons on Lutkins who made fun of him. Lutkin was standing there with his mother and they both made fun of the narrator. After this, how did the narrator feel? The narrator got hurt. When the narrator served the summons to Oliver Lutkins, he and his mother laughed at him. It seemed as if he were a bright boy of 7. This thing really hurts the narrator. So this is all about the chapter The Hack Driver. I hope you have understood. Now let us discuss your homework. Homework is to read the chapter thoroughly and answer the following questions. Now, what are these questions? First question is, why is the lawyer sent to New Mullion? And what does he first think about the place? Means, what does he think about that place, about that village? Second question, it is who befriends him, means who befriends the lawyer, and where does he take him? He takes him to many places, so here you are supposed to write that where does he take him. Now third question, it is what does Bill say about Lutkins? Means what did the hack driver say about Oliver Lutkins? Now next question. Fourth question, it is what more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? The hack driver actually tells about Lutkins and about his family. So what did he say about them? That is to be written. Fifth question is who is Lutkins? Now sixth, it is when the lawyer reached New Mullion, did Bill, means the hack driver, know that he was looking for Lutkins? So did he knew? When do you think that Bill came up with his plan for fooling the lawyer? Means when did he make his plan to befool the lawyer? So these are the questions. So you are supposed to read the chapter thoroughly and find out the answers of given questions and send me the homework at my email address. Thank you.